Laziness is the mother of all invention. I am making the 80s shawl, which calls for knit two together, double yarn over, and slip slip knit. And this is done in repetition all across the round. But what if I don't want to make the slip slip knits? What if I just want to knit two together to the right and knit two together to the left? Then the lazy knitter prepares for the right side row on the way back on the reverse by catching the yarn differently for the stitches that will make the slip slip knit. So I'm doing purls all the way around, except for in the double yarn overs I make one purl and one knit stitch, but the knit stitch will be the second stitch in the slip slip knit. So when I do the knit stitch, I catch the yarn the other way around, so it will present on the right side with the first leg behind instead of in front. Okay, and then I do the purl stitch next to it, also catching the yarn so the stitch will present in the same way. And then I just keep on purl, purl, knit, catching the yarn from the other side, purl, catching the yarn from the other side. So a regular purl, knit, catching the yarn in reverse, purl, catching the yarn in reverse. And this I do all the way across. So once I've turned to the right side, I do a knit two together, double yarn over, then I have the slip slip knit stitches presented to me with the first leg behind, so I can just go through them and knit directly. I don't have to do a slip slip knit. I can do one movement instead of three. Here they are. These two, instead of doing slip, slip, and then knit, they present in the correct way, so I can just do knit together, leaning to the left, knit together, leaning to right, double yarn over, knitting two together, leaning to the left. And this gives me this lovely pattern of hexagons, which make up the 80s shawl. So you can be both lazy and productive at the same time. Will you try?